After the latest update on my Hisense E7NQ TV, there is a new quick settings menu, which now is customizable. So right now I'm playing this video on YouTube and you see different options available. First one is all settings. This will be available on all inputs, live TV, HDMIs, as well as in apps. And then in this portion, this is where you can customize which options you want to see. If we press edit, here in the more section, you will see different options which you can add. For example, let's add sound mode, and you can also choose where you want to have it. When I press back, you will see sound mode right here. But as I was in the edit menu, you might have seen that I have audio only option, but when I go back, it is not here. That's because certain apps, specifically YouTube, doesn't allow audio only mode. And same goes for example, karaoke mode. If you add it, you won't see it on this type of inputs. Now let's go to HDMI 1 that you see which options are there. So let's play this video here. And then as I push the settings button, you will see, so on HDMI inputs, you will have HDMI format option, as well as game mode and game menu. And then again, you will see quick settings, customizable portion of the menu, where you can change position, you can remove different options. And when I press back, now you see, for example, audio only mode available. And now as I'm increasing volume, the screen is not turned on, but if I press OK, picture is back. So we have really quick access to different options, and compared to the previous layout of the quick settings menu, now you have this customizable feature. And I think when you have options to adjust, that's always better than having a fixed layout that you might or might not like. So definitely this is a good update from Hisense for this TV. Let me know if you got the same update, if you also have this customizable settings menu, and that's all. Thanks for watching.